Sunday, October 16th, 2022. And I took some of my geraniums and I brought them in. Try to keep them alive for the winter. They were in much bigger pots, but I did prune them down a bit and I put them in smaller pots, as you can see. When I was doing that, I also took some cuttings, and here are the cuttings. There's 24 of them, and I've got my fingers crossed that they are going to produce some lovely geraniums for me for next year. So I'll keep you posted. Every once in a while, I'm going to film and show you where they are right now, as well as where the mother, if you will, geranium plants are, how everything is doing. Every once in a while, these little guys wind up shooting a flower, like this guy right here. Let's see if I can show you. This guy right here, he's starting to shoot a flower. I'm going to cut that flower off. I'm not going to allow him to keep it. The bigger ones, the mother plants, they are shooting flowers. Here you can see one here. I'm going to let them stay for now, and we'll see what happens. In addition, I've got 3 Mandevilla baby plants. They're in this little incubator type thing that my husband made for me. I'm going to take the top off just so you can see them for a minute. I took shoots that didn't have buds on them from my main mother, if you will, Mandevilla plant. It's a bush Mandevilla, it's not a vine. And I dipped them in some growth hormone and then put them in these little pots, spritzed them a little bit, and we'll see how they go. I'm hoping for some Mandevilla plants in the spring. Very exciting. Again, I'll keep you posted. I thought I might just make a real quick video to let you see what the mother Mandevilla plant looks like that I have those babies from. And you can see her here. She has been in the house now for at least 2 months, closer to 3, I think. I brought her in before the frost. And look at her. She's just blooming away. Loves it here. I don't have any special light. It's a south window. She gets some late morning to early afternoon sun. One thing I will say, I bought this plant as a bush Mandevilla. And I have seen some YouTube videos that have said that there really is no such thing as a bush, that they all vine. And I think they're right, because look at here. You see this vine? Look it. I have a vine here. I've got vines all over the place. I'm going to cut them off. This will be the 3rd time I've cut off vines. She doesn't care. She just keeps blooming away. Look at new buds all over the place. It's just phenomenal what she's doing. Anyway, I just thought you might like to see where the baby Mandevillas came from. So, see you later.